So namaste, मेरी YouTube family. Welcome to our first travel vlog. Currently we are at one of the world's best airport, Singapore, and we are heading to Seoul, North Korea. Oh sorry, it's South Korea. तो हमारा चेकिंग तो कंप्लीट हो चुका है. काफ़ी टाइम बचा, अभी पता नहीं क्या करें. हम तो बस एक्साइटमेंट में काफ़ी जल्दी पहुंच गए थे एयरपोर्ट पे. बट इट्स गुड एक्चुअली, वी केम अर्ली क्योंकि बैगेज एज यूजुअल ओवरवेट था.
A few moments later.
We are about to board our flight anytime. So we are traveling by Scoot Airlines. करीबन कुछ 6+ hours की जर्नी है. Hopefully the journey will be safe and sound. अभी कुछ 2 वीक पहले सिंगापुर एयरलाइंस का कुछ टर्बुलेंस की वजह से इंसिडेंट हुआ था. तो माई वाइफ वॉज वेरी वरीड, सो शी वॉज जस्ट प्रेइंग बिफोर बोर्डिंग ऑन टू द प्लेन. सो होपफुली विल हैव सेफ एंड साउंड जर्नी. सो सी यू ऑल इन सोल. गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों. फाइनली हम पहुंच गए हैं इंशियोन एयरपोर्ट, सोल. सोल सियोल क्या होता है? सोल होता है. ओके ओके, ठीक है. यहाँ पे तो बहुत सारे लोग बुद्धिज्म को भी फॉलो करते हैं, तो सोल ही ज़्यादा बेटर कनेक्ट होता है. ये हमने कोरिया से सिम ले लिए 3 मोबाइल के लिए फॉर 15 days, बट काफ़ी एक्सपेंसिव है एक्चुअली इफ़ यू कंपेयर विद द सिम रेट इवन इन इंडिया, राइट. आई थिंक इंडिया के चीपेस्ट डेटा. हमें सिम तो फटक से मिल गया. इनिशियली लगा कि अरे वाह व्हाट अ सर्विस, बट जो रजिस्ट्रेशन का प्रोसेस है सो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. यहाँ पे वाईफाई नहीं है, उसमें रजिस्टर करो, बीच में निकल रहा है पता नहीं. आई मीन इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लास्ट 15 minutes वी आर स्ट्रगलिंग टू रजिस्टर ऑल 3 numbers which we took. It's quite annoying. They should improve on this, I think. So I think यहाँ पे जंबो टैक्सी के लिए डिफरेंट स्टैंडर्ड. तो now we are going to, which one he said 8, right? 8C something. हमारे पास लगेज बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो आई थिंक वी नीड अ जंबो टैक्सी. How much? How much?
Meter.
Huh?
Meter.
Meter. Okay, meter. Okay, come, let's go. Hold this. I'll put luggage.
A few moments later.
Olago Hotel in Myeongdong. Actually काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग नेम होते हैं यहाँ सारे. कुछ तो प्रोनाउंस भी नहीं करने आते हैं. म्योंगडोंग तो मैं उसको बोलता हूँ MYEONG. ओके, तो ये आई थिंक काफ़ी सेंटर ऑफ द सिटी है ये टाउन म्योंगडोंग. यहाँ पे बाद में एक स्ट्रीट मार्केट भी है, हम लोग का बाद में विज़िट कर लेंगे. अभी फ़िलहाल तो हम लोग एक पैलेस विज़िट करने जा रहे हैं. कुछ यूनेस्को हेरिटेज पैलेस है. I'll put the name of the palace later on in the video. It's too difficult to pronounce also. पहुंचे अभी चोंगदुकोंग पैलेस. Okay, I learned to speak now. Wow, you can see it. Bad luck for us today. We didn't see this. It's closed on Monday. I don't know why. Online हम लोगों ने देखा नहीं है, ध्यान नहीं दिया शायद. So we can go to the other palace. There is one more palace like this. Come, let's go. So now we are going for what? Hanbok cloth. Okay, let mama will choose something. Only for kids also, is it?
Hello. Okay.
Hi.
So we have premium ones here. This is for women. Men's size here.
We can come inside. Afternoon. It's not so much windy, right? It's actually not that bad. Myeongdong street shopping. If you are in Seoul, don't miss to come to Myeongdong street. Shopping, eating food, it's a wonderful place. Spending your evening. All the way to the live shop.
The next day.
गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों. तो आज हमारा प्लान है DMZ, डीमिलिटराइज्ड जोन. इट्स एक्चुअली बॉर्डर बिटवीन नॉर्थ कोरिया एंड साउथ कोरिया. यू नो द हिस्ट्री ऑफ नॉर्थ कोरिया एंड साउथ कोरिया, राइट? दे वर वन कंट्री एंड देन लेटर गॉट पार्टीशन. एक्चुअली कुछ आफ्टर वर्ल्ड वॉर टू वन वेंट विथ सोवियत यूनियन और ये दूसरा US के साथ. एक्चुअली हिस्ट्री उनका कुछ अपना इंडो पाकिस्तान जैसा ही है शायद. दो लीडर्स को प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनना था, तो एक ने बोला ये कंट्री ले, दूसरे ने बोला मैं दूसरा कंट्री लेता हूँ. तो वैसा ही कुछ है. बट आई थिंक उनका फेट भी सिमिलर है. एक अभी भी न्यूक्लियर मिसाइल वगैरह की बातें कर रहा है, दूसरा इज ऑन द प्रोग्रेस पाथ. तो देखते हैं. इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी एक्साइटिंग. तो उन्होंने बोला कि बिफोर गोइंग टू DMZ यू हैव टू गेट योर पासपोर्ट. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ होल डे प्लान. आई थिंक कुछ 8-9 आवर्स का है. So let's see what is waiting for us there. Hopefully this is going to be very exciting. So weather is quite actually this tour starts very early in the morning. They have called us at 6:45 at Myeongdong station. So we are walking there now. Not very far from our hotel. कुछ कितना मिनट है? I think we are using which app is this? Naver app. Yesterday we tried to use other app, Kakao Map. I think that has some problem. It was not allowing us to register, and it was not giving the real-time navigation. This is better, I think, Naver app. So finally yesterday when we have missed, we got confused with that app, right? We had to finally take cab. But today we are trying. I mean, we woke up very early. We still have enough time, so we thought we'll walk all the way to MRT station, metro station. And this is, what time is it? 6 o'clock. Lot many shops are closed yet to open. Are we going correct? Okay. These are actually grave of soldiers. So let's not go very close. Just see around. This mountain, right, there's a river, and from that location the actually Chinese attacked during that post World War II, right, when the North Korean and South Korea was fighting. So almost 500 plus people died somewhere here. Too sad, right? I don't know why people keep fighting till today. So we are going to Suspension Bridge, walking upstairs. It's going to be, I think, 10 to 15 minutes walk. We have been given 40 minutes to come back. It looks a nice trail, right? Come on. Nice romantic walk with your partner. She will always remember you for this walk, not for the entire trip. She will feel what a romantic husband I got. Okay, you will earn some good brownie points. That is very important. We are here at one of the region in DMZ. We stopped here for a while and then guide. If you see the other side there, right? that's actually a North Korea. Okay, you can see the partition here, right? The walls actually, and there have been some ribbon tied on the wall there. So those actually have been tied by the South Koreans. I mean, as a sign of peace. So I mean, the guide told us a lot of stories, very sad stories, which happened during wars. Okay, lot of people were killed. So it's very sad to hear. Everybody wants peace, but it's very unfortunate in the world that wars are still happening, and probably it will continue to happen because it's a war is a business now for some people, right? So peace is good, but unfortunate, the bitter truth of the world. Anyway, so you can see the bell there, that bell in the temple. Okay, they have installed this as a here, you know, right, a lot of people follow the Buddhism. So that bell has been installed as a part of the as a symbol of peace. Okay, because many people, many soldiers were killed during the war. So that bell is actually for the peace of their soul. So now we are completed this short tour here. We are going back to bus. Now they will be going to the further next destination in DMZ. We are at DMZ, and just now we visited this third tunnel walkway. Okay, so this is one of the tunnel which was dug by North Korean to invade South Korea. It's good to visit this. This tunnel is in 350 meter length, almost 70 meter height, and it has a slope of 30 plus degrees. So it's a good experience actually, and it is a bit cold inside. So you can carry your jacket if you want, and while walking you really feel, I mean, that slope. So sometimes you might feel a breathless, but they have arranged for a bench in between, intermediate, so you can take rest while coming back, going inside also. Sometimes if you want to take a break, you can sit. So it takes around, how much time it took? 20 plus minutes? 30 plus minutes to complete that. So it's a good experience actually. So you can see how South Koreans turn the problem into opportunity, right? So every day they are earning almost thousands of dollars out of a ticket. So not every problem is bad problem, right? You can turn it into business. Come, let's go.
The invasion of South Korea by the North began with earth-shattering sounds of artillery. Although North and South Korea established their own governments after World War II, the peace didn't last long. Revealing its ambition to conquer South Korea, North Korea started the Korean War in alliance with the Soviet Union.
Dora Observatory. This is at the DMZ border at North Korea and South Korea, right? So other side you can see all the people are watching there. That's the North Korea region. Okay, it looks funny, right? I mean, how on the border they have built this kind of observatory just to see how the other side looks like, right? So it's more of a looks like a humiliation for the North Korea. They're showing the tourists, right? See how the people are poor on the other side, no development, nothing. Yeah, you can see this. This is North Korea region. Yeah, we cannot zoom in further, but yeah. We were looking for some vegetarian food in Myeongdong Street, but we struggled to get one. This will be the best option, Indian and Nepali food. The food was really tasty. It was really amazing. We didn't expect that. Back from DMZ tour, it was very long tour. We almost spent 9 to 10 hours. We started at around 6 o'clock from hotel, and it is almost 10 plus hours. But it was really good. It was really good. Even our guide was very nice. He explained the things very nicely. He narrated the story, the war story very nicely. Even the getting into those tunnels, right, which were dug by North Korea, that was very good experience. Even we had taken this little Indian flag with us. We never know, right? North Korea वाला कभी war भी ना छेड़ दें. Then we'll have to ask our India to rescue us.
The next day.
We have come to the Seoul station and we are heading to Busan today. Generally people go there for 3-4 days stay, but we are just planned for a day trip. The main reason for that was the bullet train. We'll be catching bullet train in another hour and we'll be coming back in the evening. Let's say it's going to be the thrilling experience. We haven't seen bullet train so far, so this is the first time we are going to board bullet train. And to see you in Busan. Train is already going at the speed of 284 and it's so comfortable inside. You can't. The colorful houses right on the left, even the roads are painted with the different colors. It looks so amazing. Let's explore. Come slowly. We are inside now Busan Air Cruise. Which place is it?
Songdo.
Oh, Songdo. Songdo. It's almost I think 5 minutes drive, taxi drive from Gamcheon village. So, we are done with our one day short trip to Busan. Now we are going back to Seoul. We have to catch train, the same bullet train, in another 40 minutes. So we already arrived at Busan station.
The next day.
Good morning dosto. So today we are going to Nami Island. We'll be catching bus from here and then ferry to island. It's one of the beautiful place where you might have seen that a lot of K-drama have been shot there. Even some of the Bollywood movies have been shot there. So let's see. This is going to be an exciting day today. See. Good morning. Actually, this is the garden of morning calm. We have been given map, but we'll just follow the multiple spots here, and we have been given 90 minutes to go back to bus. So let's start from number 1. What is this? Dropping Tree Garden. Okay, there are total 31 spots. Will we be able to cover all? Where is this? Where this stairs going? Hello, something going down. Wow, this is shaky bridge. Let's be on the right side. Oh. Wait. Hold, huh? It's bit. Wow, it's nice. Oh. It's not so long though. Okay, careful. Let's see spot number 20. Road to heaven. Slowly walk carefully, okay? So this is traditional Korean garden. Wow.
A few moments later.
We have arrived at Nami Island. Okay, we'll take a ferry from here and go to the island. Seems to be crowded today. Today is a holiday here in Korea. So a lot of people have arrived. Even you can see even the pets have arrived. So he seems to be very excited. Okay, so we are entering to Nami Island now. We are going to spend almost 2 hours, right? No? How long? Yeah, we're going to spend 2 hours. This very beautiful place. Nice place to take a lot of photos.
The next day.
Bye bye Seoul. This brings an end to our Seoul stay. Now we are going to one more exciting destination, Jeju.
मुझे जाने दीजिए बाबूजी, प्लीज बाबूजी मुझे जाने दीजिए।
जाओ बाबूजी, मान जाओ। मैं आपके बेटी का बहुत ख्याल रखूंगा बाबूजी। बाबूजी मैं आपके बेटी के साथ रील भी बनाऊंगा बाबूजी। बाबूजी ये बुलेट ट्रेनें कभी भी निकल सकती है बाबूजी, मान जाओ अभी तो।
क्या सिमरन, जा लड़के से ज्यादा प्यार तुझे और कोई नहीं कर सकता।